Hi, it's me. So today we're gonna do Can you tell me what's it called again? Yeah, Mega Marble Run. So we're gonna be doing it with the same people as the last video, which I forgot what we recorded. Oh yeah, laser tag.
Sammy's not there, I can see.
Yeah, okay. So we're doing. Oh.
Which one are we doing?
Oh no! I fell down and I died. Oh no! I have to reset my character. Okay, everyone, wait for me at.
Okay, I have to go now. Bye.
Okay, bye. Okay, so now we have everyone but Ruby.
And me. Okay. Can we play like computer?
Yeah, sure, we'll do that. We've already done that. Okay,
I'm gonna do it right now, Sammy. Do you like my pumpkin one?
Yes. Yeah, so we're gonna be having fun checking out all of this stuff.
Hi, Leo.
Stop!
How did you fall down?
I don't know. I just kind of did.
Whoa, I'm coming, Leo.
Oh, it's gonna be kind of hard to catch up. Oh, there you are.
See, I'm already catched up.
You mean caught up? Don't worry, I'm trying to touch as many of these as I can to slow myself down.
Yeah, I think I touched more than you. Now I'm stuck.
Oh no! Okay, I'm almost at the spawning point. This here is so annoying.
It's so hard.
Okay, you know what? I'm gonna reset my character because this is annoying, just waiting.
I made it.
Okay, then we go back to the spawn area, and then you go to yellow.
Let's go this one. Let's go this one.
No, we're doing it in order from here.
Okay.
So yeah, we are. Oops.
I'll go first.
Okay.
Okay, I'm ready. You go.
Oh no, you're too ahead of me.
Now my pumpkin's black and purple.
Whee! Oh man, I'm going quick. Ah! Wow, this is so quick. Can you?
It's just like a circle around the whole thing.
Yeah. Man, you go quick.
But it's like really quick.
Okay, so we're probably gonna do like a couple of them. Okay, that was fun. Okay, reset my character.
Yeah, let's reset our character.
It's a lot quicker than just waiting.
Oh, and my whole pumpkin's flew away from me. That's bad. Okay.
Okay, so then we go on the green one. We're probably gonna do this up until pink, or else this would be a really long video. Okay,
1,000 points.
oops, sorry, I already went. Come as soon as you can.
Yeah, okay.
Woohoo!
I fell off.
Oh wow, I landed in the pink one, and now I'm just bouncing to the bottom, dude.
I'm in the blue hole. I'm in the blue
Oh. Okay, well that was weird. Reset character.
Wait for me. Mine's almost finished.
Okay. Yeah, we'll end this video with the pink one. As in like this pink one. Okay.
Mine's finished.
Okay, I'll go to the red one, and Sammy's actually playing this.
Wait for me at the red one.
Okay. Sammy, don't click anything, just wait with me. Leo Sushi 1 2 3.
Leo. Okay.
Okay, I'm going in here and just click it.
Okay, I started. I don't have the marble yet.
Okay, click it then, Sammy. Whee, this is more fun than I thought. Hey, you stopped me in my tracks. That's rude.
I can't control it. I can't do a marble. Sorry, Sammy. You have to click the green. You have to click the green button on the floor. I fell off the whole thing.
Oh, me too. Whoa! This is so bouncy.
I can't. Okay. I got back to the spawn area. You know what it says? He said I can't.
Oh, okay. Well, that's weird.
Yeah. Okay. Which one do we go next? Pink.
Yeah.
I'll see you at pink. I'll wait for you at pink.
Oh, no need to wait. I'm already at pink.
Okay, let's go.
Click
Sorry,
me
Leo,
to
I've
play.
already got a head start.
Oh no, this.
E-money and marble. I haven't played this before. Wait.
Yeah, we can teach it after the video. No, you're not
Yeah,
stuck.
I'm still going.
Oh no, I'm stuck. You're right. Oh, there we go.
Soon
just-
it'll let you go. Soon it'll let you go.
Wow. Oh, I just fell to the bottom of the whole thing.
Yeah, that what happened to me. Yeah, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Even though we have 6 left,
Yeah, we'll do that. You know what? Let's just knock out 6. Let's knock out 6 today, and then we can do the
we've done 5, so we just need
Yeah.
to do the brown one, and then we'll finish the video
yeah,
off.
and then we'll do a part 2. I haven't done the Cool Easy Parkour Obby part 2 yet, so that will come
Three,
soon.
two, let's go.
Whee!
Sorry, okay, now I'm going. Slowly but surely.
I'm trying to go slowly. No, I'm at.
Going fast. It didn't work. Come on, Leo.
Woohoo!
No, I can't. I didn't done it.
Oh, there you are, Max. It's okay, Sammy. We can always do another video, and we can always do a part 2 on this. Whee! Oh my! God. Yeah, we'll do live Tropia after I upload the video.
We have to play this. We have to upload the video, then we'll play live Topia.
Yeah.
Okay, we finished round.
Okay, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and go check out Takui if you manage to find it. It's a video gaming gorilla.
Channel name. I'll change the channel name.
Yeah. And then in the next video with him, since he comes quite commonly on this channel, yeah, you can go check him out. And I'll tell you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No, it didn't work at all.
It's okay, Sammy. We can do a part 2 and it will work.